Hello everyone, welcome back to my new channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the zigzag indicator properly and how to find high probability trade entries. First of all, let's set up our indicator. Today we're using the zigzag indicator. Now let's select our trading pair, AED-CNY OTC market. That's why I confidently entered a sell trade. As you can see, the zigzag indicator is showing a sell direction. But remember, we should never enter a trade just because the indicator gives a signal. We must first analyze the market structure, trend direction, and candlestick confirmation. Now let me zoom in on this area. You can clearly see that the market created a lower high, and after that strong bearish candles appeared. This tells us that the sellers are in control, and the market has a higher probability of moving downward. Now let's wait for the result. As you can see, our first trade is a win. Now let's move to our second pair, EAR-HUF OTC market. Again, the zigzag indicator is giving us a sell signal. So I entered another sell trade. But once again, we don't rely on the indicator alone. We first check the market direction, identify the trend, and wait for bearish candle confirmation. Here you can see that the market formed another lower high followed by strong bearish candles. This confirms that the market is likely to continue moving downward. Let's see the result. As you can see, our second trade is also a win. So guys, the most important lesson is this. Never depend only on the zigzag indicator. Always combine it with market structure, trend analysis, and candlestick confirmation before taking any trade. If you want free daily trading signals and more trading strategies, join my Telegram channel. The Telegram link is available in the description.